Hi guys, let's try to understand today's topic is it top and filter, and after that we'll do a assignment on this. So assignment would be the on table and the sum uh, which we did in previous video. So first try to understand what is a top and filter. Top and filter basically is a Power BI restricted value data to top or the bottom record basis on the specified measure. What is it? Let's do one thing. Let's go on the Power BI and do that practically. So all upon the Power BI, this table we have already made earlier in the previous video. And if you missed anything, any charts, any KPI, likes logo, anything in this, you can go in the previous video. They all are in the playlist, and you can cover that all if you're missing. So at our motto is in the end of this video, we'll just make a very beautiful dashboard, very interactive dashboard, and we'll give some lots of assignment as we do in the practical life. So let's select it and do some formatting in this. I'll go in the filter. In the filter, let's filter on the product. The product is already there. On this visual filter, go there in the top end. If product is not here, so go then in the measures, search the product name and drop it here, so it will become automatically. Okay. So top and filter is I want, let's suppose I want top 10 product here, right? And basis on the which value? Basis on the order on the product. So search the total order from here, which already made in earlier video. Total orders, put it here in this visual and apply it. So when I apply it, it will be go like this. Little format, so we can add some more uh, cards over there. Little format go so that it will be go till the end, right? Let's do one thing, drop it little bit, go there, right? So it would be like this. So basically that is the top and on top bottom filter. Basically if you want to the top button, we can select here in this video and go then the top and filter, and in the top button also if we want, but there is no make sense we go on the top button filter here in this video because we want to show the data is the top 10 products are in the top 10 products, what is the order, what is the revenue, what is the return percentage of there. So that is the basically. Then let's do that assignment basic on this so that it would be more clear about the top and filter in the table or matrix parts. So all upon the that assignment, I'll give you one situation. Let's suppose you're working somewhere in a company, and this company managers from the BI team asked you to do something in your reports. So some greeting and some introductions parts, and in the last they will say probably makes a sense to add some additional formatting and the limit to the top 100 customer for now. So basically that is your uh, objective to do that thing, and that basically the assignment of that table. So what's come in your mind? So basically you need to add a table in the customer details, and then you need to uh, show the customer key, full name, total order or revenue, total revenue as the revenue there. So basically which we did, that is the same thing. And second, they use the conditional formatting as a date, add gray data bar and other column white blue color in the revenue column. So that is the two thing. The last three objective is add the visual filter and top and show the 100 customer with the most order with a chart or title as a top 100 customer. So we need to add the title over there. and sort the data descending order by the order. So that is our objective. In the end of this, we will get the solution like this. So we will get a table like this. So let's do one thing. I'll open the Power BI quickly and do that same thing in the R reports. So I'll open it, go in the customer table. In the customer table, let's add a table over there in the customer uh, reports. Let's add this table here, right? In this table, add the column. In the column, as add it as a customer key. Customer key, or let's put the same customer key here, and full name, and order, total order, and revenue, right? So that thing we added here in this table. Let's little more format, right? So that is the table. That thing we did. And what are the second thing? The formatting part. Okay. So let's put the order, total order to order. Click on the table. Select it. Okay. And order. Double click here on the revenue also. Double click, will come. Let's put outside. Double click again and revenue. So it would be like this, right? Let's do some formatting in this. Right. So go there in the click here, select it, go there in the formatting part. Okay. And click on this visual. Go there in the format and the visual and the column header. In the column header, let's do some font is that's bold. Okay. 10, let it be 10. Let's put in the middle. Okay. And the color, let's say the color this one, right? And I think that is enough. Let's do some more formatting in this. Let's go in the visual and cell element, because we already aware that cell element is the conditional formatting. So in the conditional formatting, go then the order, and the let's do it on the data bar. So it would be like this. Double click here, and negative would be like 0, positive it would be the maybe this one, and okay. So it would be like this. Second thing, let's do some color on on the revenue. So select it from here, from the revenue, and on the background color, go there and select the minimum as a white and maximum color. Let's take that R color, which is maybe hash 20 E 2D7, right? So that color we am already using it. So I'll take this color, select it. Okay. So color would be like this as we color have. Now that is done. What is last thing? The top end filter. Basically, we need to apply the top 100 products over there. So select this visual, go there in the filter. Okay. So this time we need to go on the customer key. In the customer key, let's take the top end in top 100. Top 100 on where? On the total order. Put the total order in the value, apply on it. So we observe that is the top 100 customer are there. Earlier there was a all customer there. Now the last thing, we need to sort it as the order. So sorting the order like this. So basically that is the our topic today. See you in the next video. I'll cover some cards part and some assignment also on the basis of the card. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Our objective is making a very beautiful dashboard at the end of this tutorial. And if you missed anything, I have already added all the videos in the playlist. You can go there and check your video and cover this. And if you want this data, you can ask me, or you can search it through the Google Adventure Work Report and download it and practice as side by side. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.